Hey everybody, today we're making scrambled eggs. Whoa, wait, don't click off yet. I know, scrambled eggs. It just sounds boring, but we're gonna make them awesome. I love scrambled eggs. Why? Because you can do anything with them. So let's go ahead and get cooking. So we're gonna start off. Uh-oh, I haven't busted egg. So we're gonna start off with our eggs. Now, how many do you need for this? How hungry are you? Well, I'm kind of a big boy, so I am gonna need 3 of them today. And don't let the shells get in. It will ruin the dish. Little sucker was really trying to get away from me. There we go. 3 eggs. We're going to go ahead and just whip these real quick. I like to go ahead and bust the yolk. Now, for a lot of people, this is where they stop. They don't do anything else. They just throw that in a pan with some butter and they call it quits. But no. I like to throw in a little whipping cream. Just a little bit. Now, if you've ever seen the movie Deep Blue Sea, LL Cool J's in it. Really awesome shark movie. Check it out. Oh, look at that. That's just beautiful. He plays a chef, and the chef says, oh, the secret to perfect scrambled eggs is to use water. Water is inconsistent across the spectrum. The water in my town is going to be different than the water in your town. Maybe use bottled water. Maybe use milk. Or like I just did, heavy whipping cream. Look at that. That just looks amazing. But we're not stopping here. Time to get to the skillet. So now we're going to start off with one of my favorite ingredients. Bacon. I'm going to get that hot. Oh, you already hear it. Now, ordinarily when you do scrambled eggs, you need something to cook them in. Oil or grease or butter. In this case, we're going to fry it in bacon grease. And we're going to include the bacon in the scrambled eggs. Now, this is going to take a while, so I'll come back when we're ready to start adding more ingredients. You can see we're getting lots of bacon grease rendered out, and it's starting to brown up nicely. Now, whenever you're doing bacon, make sure you're scraping up this stuff off the bottom. It's yummy. Oh my goodness, is it yummy. Now that our bacon is about where I want it, time for the onion. I cut up one good sized onion there, and that's all I really needed. Just one. It's just me. Now, how to cut your onion up for this? However you want. That's what makes scrambled eggs so awesome. I mean, you don't have to put onion in it. You don't need bacon. If you want to, just salt and pepper it and call it a day. Or go crazy. Put some tomatoes in it. Put salsa. Hey, salsa's always good on scrambled eggs. You know, it's about using your imagination. Honestly, I've never done scrambled eggs like this before. Now, I've put in onion, mushroom, a few other things, but I never did the bacon. So this is kind of new. But it's still going to be awesome. I mean, literally anybody can do this. Just a little imagination. Maybe you'll come up with something so epic that your family is going to love you for forever or rag you for forever. It's just eggs. Have fun with it. My girlfriend, and this is going to start a fight when she sees this, claims that I inspired her to put spinach. Yes, spinach. It's absolutely amazing, but I didn't inspire her. I actually did a dish, my spinach dish, that's here on the channel, one of the older videos. You should check it out because it's freaking awesome. But she did the onion and a few other things and spinach in with scrambled eggs. It was absolutely amazing. And she tries to give me credit for it, and I know I've never, ever done that in my life, and I'm not going to steal credit for it. Now, the bacon obviously doesn't need any salt, but we're going to salt a little bit anyway for the onion. Just hit it a little bit here. Now, the great thing about onion is you only cook it as long as you want to. As long as the bacon is cooked, which it is. Now, is this done enough for you? If it is, pour your egg in. If it's not, cook it a little bit more. I mean, again, it's all about imagination. And I mentioned tomatoes earlier. You know what? I think I've got something that I hadn't planned on, but I'm going to go get it right now. I'll be right back. Sun-dried tomatoes. I love these things. These are julienne cut. You can find them wherever you get your tomato paste and sauces in the grocery store. I love these things. They're just a little extra bonus flavor adder. Just a handful of them there. Or I need more anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and empty the whole darn bag. What the heck? This is going to be some amazingly flavorful scrambled eggs. Now I want to let these onion brown up a little bit more. When I get them where I want them, we're almost there. Shouldn't be but another minute or two. When we get them where I want them, we'll be right back to the action. So my onion is just about where I want it. Now, the next part we have to do quickly. I'm going to pour in the egg and then add my salt, seasoning, and one other fun ingredient I think you're going to enjoy. And you got to do it quickly before the eggs have a chance to cook on you, and you can't get it to all properly absorb. So here we go. Now, let's make sure we get some salt going in there. Gotta have some black pepper. scrambled eggs always like a little cilantro. Not too much though. And finally, we're going to put some cheese in there. And I'm just going to put this all in. Gonna switch out to a spatula. Yeah, you see how this is starting to try to cook on me? Now, that's how you make an omelet. Well, I'm not very good with omelets. I'll be honest with you. I'm great with scrambled eggs because it's very low skill. I gotta get that cheese going. This is why you have to do it fast, because this is just about ready. We've cooked out all the moisture. You see there's no extra grease. There's a little bit coming from the onions and from the bacon as it cooks a little bit more, but this is ready. Time to put it on a plate. Take a look at this. This is a meal made for a fat boy. Now, obviously, if you're cooking for 2 or 3 people, this would probably be the perfect amount, but hey, I'm a big boy. Let's eat. And now, as always, the best part of the video. We're gonna give this a try. Now that is the best part of waking up. You have this for breakfast, your family's gonna love you for forever. So, mix up your scrambled egg game. No pun intended, of course. Try new stuff. It's easy, it's simple, and you come up with amazing dishes like this. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.